Hello friends, hello children. Welcome to my channel BSG classes. I am here again with the new story Ben and Bob. 2, 3, 4 letter word story. Very easy to learn, very easy to write, very easy to speak. These sentences, small sentences. And you can also teach your children by using these sentences. Okay, let's start the story. Ben and Bob. One day Ben did go up to his papa and say, "Oh, papa, my cap is so old. It is not fit to be put on. Do buy me a new one." His papa did say, "If you are not bad all day, I can say yes to you. But if you are bad, the old cap will do for a bad boy." But Ben was not bad, so his papa got him the cap. It had fur on it. Ben put it on, and as it fit him, he ran out in the air and did cry as he ran, "See my new cap! See my new cap!" Far off, by an old log, he saw a fat hen. She was by her nest. In it was an egg. Ben ran up to her, and he did cry, "Shh, shh, shh," till she did fly off. So he got the old hen's egg and put it in the top of his cap. As he did so, a boy ran up to him. It was Bob. "Hello," Bob did say. "How do you do, Ben?" And he hit him a tap on the top of his cap. He did not see Ben put the egg in his cap, and oh my, the egg did go pop, and it ran in his ear and his eye, and all on him from top to toe. His new cap was all egg too. So you see how bad it was in him not to let the old fat hen and her egg be. But he did not care a bit, for he and Bob ran off to see the men mow the hay. It lay in the hot sun to dry. Bob lay on the hay, and the sun was so hot that the end of his nose got red, and a big dog that was by the men saw the end of his nose and ran and made a snap at it to eat it. But Ben did hop up, and he and Bob ran off. Ben did go into his mamma and say, "Oh, mamma, we are so hot and so dry. Do let us get a pie to eat and big tin mug of water, and oh, may we put a big bit of ice in the tin mug?" His mamma did say yes, and so Ben and Bob did eat the pie and had a lot of fun, for Ben bit his pie to look like a cat who had one leg, and Bob bit his pie into a dog who had one ear. He ate all up, and Bob did say he had a dog pie and Ben had a cat pie. Was it not fun? But his papa did say to him, "Why, Ben, how did you get all the eggs on you?" Okay? Oh, how red Ben was. But he did not say a lie. Oh no, he did say, "Papa, I got an egg and put it in the top of my new cap." But Bob did not see it, and he did tap the top of my cap and the egg did go pop, all on me, and the top of my new cap is all egg. How can I get it off? His papa was full of joy, as his son did not say a lie, and he did try to get all the eggs off the new cap. And now Ben and Bob ran off, and Ben had a lot of fun, for he was not bad. Oh no, he was a boy who did not say a lie, and so he had joy and fun all day. If you are not bad, you can have joy and fun too. You are my pet, so I get all the wee words I can to put into this book for you. And if I can see you one day and kiss you, I can have joy too. So this is the story. If I can see you, will you come? Oh, do. I will let you hop, run or spin your top. Get a gun and pop. Go out in the sun, with my kit to run. Will we not have fun? You can see my cat, and her soft fur pat. She is on the mat. Out on the old rug. Is my pet dog pug. Give me him a good hug. If you stub your toe, when to him you go, you will come to oh. It will hurt you so. You will cry, oh. Is my toe off? No. For I see it yet. Here it is my pet. But your face is wet. Oh my dear, don't cry. Kiss me now and try. To be good as pie. I will wipe your eye. Make it nice and dry. Just like the blue sky. Do not look so shy. As your hat I tie. Oh dear me, oh why? Must you go, oh my, I want you till I die. Mama, let me bye. My dear pet, oh fi. How you talk and I. Give her and hi. To my home too shy. With no dear pet nigh. In my arm to lie. No, come, pet, be spry. Give me a jump up high. Kiss me and say goodbye, bye. This is the story with a poem. ठीक है, इस पोएम में भी आप देखिए छोटे सेंटेंसेस आपको जो दिए गए हैं उससे आप वर्ड बिल्डिंग कर सकते हैं. किस एंड से, गिव मी अ जंप अप, नो कम पेट. ओके, इस तरह से स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस आप जो है जान सकते हैं. इन माई आर्म फ्रेज है, विद नो डियर पेट टू माई होम. चलिए स्टोरी यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं. अगली स्टोरी को हम फिर पढ़ेंगे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.